Today we're going to be making a dish called a French cassoulet. All right, so the next step that you want to use is you want to start putting like your herbs in. You know, herbs are just something that, you can either like leave it on the stem or you can even just pull it off. And I'll show you. I mean, some people just don't know how to do it. But you want to go ahead and just pull them off the stems. You don't have to do that in this dish. Whenever you're cooking it, you can just pull it out. So like I'll leave like whole stems pretty much together. You just start sticking it on top of this dish. Just break it up. And then other than that, what you want to put in here is some bay leaves. It's going to add like a concrete flavor to it. Your bay leaves, a lot of people put them soup stocks. It takes like bitterness away from foods. And it basically, in my opinion, it's just for show. Because I just don't feel like you get that much flavor like out of it. But it looks good. Sometimes too, like when you're cooking and you got these beans going and everything, that starch is going to thicken up your sauce. So if it does start thickening it up, you can add some water to it. We might have to do that on this. It just depends on if that's really what you're looking for. But like I said, you're making a French cassoulet, so you want there to be like a little bit of juice. But we're not making a soup here.